everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for a Paletteful Packs unboxing! Woo-hoo! So this is November, and it's my birthday month. It's my birthday on November 11th, so this better be a good box. That's all I'm saying. I did get this yesterday, which was the first of the month, and I probably won't be posting this for a little bit because I have to post on my Inktober first. I'm sorry, I just have to post an order, but anyways, let's get into it. November. Woo! Alright, what's in the box? Bow, 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 bow. Wow! Oh, yes! 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 Oil color. But I wish it was more than black and white. Oh my gosh, though. Oil color. Sorry, I like oil paint and I haven't used it in so long, and I'm like really excited about it in this cute little 4x4. Oh gosh, and this, oh gosh. Ooh, this looks nice. Titanium. Oh, walnut oil. I've never used walnut oil. I didn't know that. I haven't oil painted in such a hot minute, and oh my god, there's no sheet. There's no sheet. I can't tell you the description for all of these items because it's not in there. So I don't know if they forgot it. Maybe they sent an email or something about it. But there's no explanation. So I'm just going to talk about it, I guess, a little bit. So this is going to be a very short unboxing because there are no wormies in my box either. Okay. So here we have M. Graham & Co. Artist Oil Color Ivory Black. Now, I've only used M. Graham & Co. watercolors, but they're really nice, and I feel like the oil colors are gonna be great as well. So got ivory black and titanium white. So I'm super excited for this box in general because of the oil paints, but I am slightly disappointed that they only gave us white and black. I know, like, that's like the basics, you know, whatever. You should be able to make art in black and white. Yes, you should, but I don't want to. I want to make colorful art because that's what I like. If you can't tell, I love colors. So that's my jam. Colors are my jam, but I miss oil painting. I haven't done it in so long, like basically since college, I'm pretty sure. So I'm really excited to oil paint, and I will just have to paint in black and white and just deal with it. And this is a really cute little canvas, so I'll have to think of something cool to paint on here. Probably one of my characters, honestly. But this is really cute. It's an Alternatives Cotton Classic, and this is also an Alternatives, I guess it's like a canvas board. I think that's what you call these. It doesn't say the size, but what is it? Yeah, I think it's 5x7. I think that's what this piece of paper is. Maybe not. I didn't bat it at numbers sometimes. But yeah, so it came with two canvases, walnut oil, which I have no idea what this is for. Like, I mean, it's obviously like an oil medium, duh. But what is it for? Like, what does it do? What does it do to the paints? I will definitely have to look up like the card and figure it out, but I don't want to do that on video because I haven't been having a good time lately, and I'm just not up to editing, so I'm not going to edit. So I'm not going to look it up right now. But I will have to figure out what this is for. So I'm excited for that. And this is a size 6 titanium Robert Simmons filbert. That looks really nice. I wish I had the card to read about it, but yeah, where is my camera? I don't think it's gonna focus, but oh yeah, it did. Oh, nice. Yeah. So that's the paintbrush. And I don't know if you wanted to see these up close. Come on, I believe in you. I know I don't have a good enough backing. Alright, you don't really need to see them close up. And then this palette knife, 3-inch straight, and it's Art Alternatives palette knife, which should be fine. Flexible steel blade, solid hardwood handle, solvent compatible. All right. So this will be fun. I've never really used a palette knife, so I'm excited for that. And I'm just generally excited for this box, even though they didn't give me any colors. But I do actually have quite a bit of oil paints from my college art days, because in college we pretty much only used oil paint. So I have like a bunch of colors and stuff. So after I do this, I'll have to like get back into them or something, go outside. There's actually like my dad had to get a like tree cut down, but it cost extra to get them to like cut it up in logs and take it away. So my dad was like, I'll just cut it up in logs myself. And so like he cut up the tree into a bunch of little logs, and then he like set them up as kind of like, I don't know, like a barrier around like our backyard and into the forest. And all these mushrooms started growing on the little logs. So it's like this little mushroom log thing, and I don't know, it's really cute. Like there's all these mushrooms everywhere, and every time I go outside I'm like, I want to paint that. So I think oil painting would be really good to do that in. I don't think that's what I'm going to do for my piece here, because black and white, I don't know. I'm probably going to do something like a character. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do yet, because I really like painting like nature with oil paints. Like landscape painting is so much fun. But black and white, like what do I do with that? I guess I could do like a black and white landscape. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Actually, maybe mountains would look really cool, but I don't have any mountains near me. So, darn. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty happy with this box. I am. I have no idea what walnut oil is, so I'm excited to figure that out too. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. Sorry I didn't get to give you information or anything, and you just heard me rambling about mushrooms, but that's how it goes. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope if you got the box, you are also excited for oil paints. I know some artists are like, oh no, oil paints, but they're fun. So I can't wait to see what everybody does, even though I have a bunch of other boxes to do first because I'm backed up because of Inktober. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much, especially to my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. Thank you all, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Goodbye, everyone.